Hey everyone! Glad to have you here! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to reduce sensitive content on your Instagram feed using an Android phone. If you're seeing posts you'd rather avoid, Instagram gives you control over what appears. Follow this step-by-step guide. Open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Scroll down through the list of options until you find Content Preferences, then tap on it. Now tap on Sensitive Content. You'll see three choices: More, Standard, and Less. Select Less to reduce the amount of sensitive content shown in your feed and suggested posts. After making your selection, tap Confirm to save the changes. That's it! Now your Instagram experience should be cleaner and more comfortable. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more helpful tips.